Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Ada here. Today we are going to be doing a brow tutorial, as you can see from the thumbnail. So let's just get into this video. So guys, welcome to my channel. All you will be needing for this brow tutorial is your spoolie and your brow pencil. You use your concealers. I use the Colourpop Concealer, by the way, and then you can see that your pencil has to be sharpened, like really sharpened. And then the two concealers I showed here is Colourpop Concealer in two different shades. I like using a darker shade and a lighter shade. I use the lighter shade for my brows, for my eyelids, and then I use the darker shade for the top brows. That way it makes it easier for me to blend in. So if you're a beginner and you're still learning how to do your brows, this will be a good way for you to start, so you don't just stress over trying to blend in your concealers and try worrying about your concealer showing too much. So that is the idea. That is how I do it. So you start off by lining out your brows with your brow pencil. You already know this. If you've been learning how to do your brows, you already know. I'm one of those people that have one of those ridiculous brows, but there's nothing much we can do about it. All we can do is try to manage it, okay? I've never ever had a full brows in my life. I don't even know what that feels like. I've always had this weird shape, brow shape, but it's fine. I'm still beautiful, so that's what matters, right? So if you're like me, don't worry, don't even stress about it. Just create your arc yourself. Do what I'm doing in the video. That is why I am putting out this brow tutorial, right? So just come along with me, do what I am doing. So after filling up my brows, I like brushing up this part of this the front part of my brows, just to make it look more natural, to give it that natural look. So this is my brow pomade or something, brow cream, whatever you call it. Honestly, this is optional. I'm just using this today because of this brow tutorial. I don't even use it. I got it, I like it. It's a Nigerian product, Hegai and Esther. I like it so much. It's a very great product, but I just feel like I'm just this, or I call myself, basic person that I don't bother about all these things. I just do my brows with my brow pencil and I'm okay. But then if you have any extra cash and you want to get this, that is cool, a brow cream or something, that's still cool. So I just use that in filling up my brows, just to give it more color. But at all, if you don't have this is perfectly okay, because on a normal day I don't use this brow cream. So here are my concealers. I am going to be using a darker shade, the lighter parts for my brow, for my eyelid, and then the darker parts for my up brows. So if that makes sense, sure it does. So if you're a returning subscriber, I would like to say thank you so much for always coming back. And if you are new to this channel and you're seeing this face for the first time, please why not consider clicking on that subscribe button and joining the family. You all are welcome to my channel. So guys, this channel will do everything: makeup tutorial, everything, hair tutorial. So you're all welcome to join in. So guys, you just have to take it slow, do it gently, take your time. You will definitely get there. I mean, some days some days, I don't know, it just happens to everybody. It happens to everybody. Some days you just don't get your brows right, and some days you do get it perfectly. I mean, no, don't even lie, it happens to us all. So that's fine. If you're having a bad brow day, that is fine. Take your time and do this, and you'll definitely get this. And then after I do that, I go ahead to apply that concealer all over my eyelid, and then I blend everything in, just to make it, have that clean look. You make it look clean and neat. So guys, you can see me taking my time to do that. You don't just need to rush it. Take your time to do that. Blend everything in, and as you're blending, be careful, be mindful of the lines so that you don't end up ruining your lines, because you don't want that. You don't want all that time to go to waste. So you better just take your time and do it so you don't ruin your lines. So now I am going in with the darker shade of the concealer to to highlight my upper brows. So that is it, guys. I'm going up with the upper shade. I'm going up with the darker shade to highlight my upper brows. And after doing that, I am also going to be blending everything out with my beauty blender. By the way, this is my Real Technique beauty blender. That is what I'm using. I just love that beauty blender. It's so soft and like it's so cool. I love it. So if you want an affordable, that's it. So after that, of course, I went ahead to do my makeup as I wanted to. I just wanted to show you guys the brow tutorial, and here it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.